Hello friends, in today's video, let us learn about nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the process of splitting up of a heavy nucleus into two smaller parts, releasing a huge amount of energy. So here you can see a heavy nucleus composed of a large number of protons and neutrons. In the fission process, it will be splitting up into two more or less equal fragments, and a huge amount of energy will be released in this process. Now let us try to understand the nuclear fission process of a uranium nuclei in order to get a broad idea about nuclear fission process. So here you can see this is a uranium-235 nucleus which is composed of 92 protons and many number of neutrons with 235 nucleons. This is a very heavy nucleus, and when this uranium-235 nucleus is allowed to be hit with a neutron, we will get a resultant compound nucleus. This compound nucleus of uranium consisting of 236 nucleons due to this added neutron is highly energetic and highly unstable, and within fraction of second this compound nucleus will be splitted into two smaller parts, and these products are called fission fragments or fission products, and in this process a huge amount of energy will be released, and more number of neutrons are also emitted in this process, and these neutrons can further hit the neighboring nuclei and the process may continue. So this is the process that is happening in a nuclear fission of uranium-235 or any other similar nuclei. Now let us try to write the schematic equation for a nuclear fission process. Suppose in the case of a 92 uranium nucleus, 92 uranium-235, when hit with a neutron, when combined with a neutron which is highly energetic, will give you a compound nucleus. 92 uranium, 236 will be its mass number, and it is in a very excited state. So let us give a star which correspond to the excited state of uranium-236, and eventually this uranium-236 will be splitted into two smaller nucleus, say X and Y, and more number of neutrons, and in this process a large amount of energy will be released, and this Q will correspond to the energy released in this process. This uranium-236 is a very highly unstable isotope, and hence it is splitting up into two smaller fragments. We call these fragments X and Y as fission fragments. And these fission fragments are not uniquely determined. That means the fission process of all uranium-235 nuclei may not yield the same X and Y fission fragments or fission products. For example, the typical fission reaction of uranium-235 usually has more than one paths, like 92 uranium-235 when combined with a neutron can yield you 236 uranium, which may split up into 56 Ba141 barium and 36 Kr92 krypton, and in this process 3 number of neutrons and a large amount of energy are released. Now in another process, the same uranium-235 nucleus can undergo a different pathway, a different nuclear fission pathway, 92 uranium-236 star, which will split up into 54 xenon Xc140 plus 38 Sr94 strontium plus 2 number of neutrons and a large amount of energy. So this you can see here the uranium-235 can undergo nuclear fission to yield either a barium nuclei and a krypton nuclei or a xenon nuclei and a strontium nuclei. So the X and Y fission fragments need not be unique. They might be different according to different reactions. So these are the two typical nuclear fission reactions of uranium-235. Now I hope you got a broad understanding about the nuclear fission process. Let me summarize the process once again for you. So here you can see a very heavy nucleus. Suppose this is a uranium-235 nucleus. It is allowed to be hit with a fast moving neutron, and it will result in the formation of a compound nucleus which is very unstable. In the case of uranium-235, the compound nucleus is uranium-236 star, and eventually the compound nucleus will split up into two smaller nuclei and more number of neutrons, releasing a huge amount of energy. So this is the process of nuclear fission. I hope you got a broad understanding. Thank you.